Hello students, I am Snigdha Verma and today I am going to teach you lesson number 10 of Honeycomb, the story of cricket. Games or sports are said to be an integral part of healthy life. Out of the many games played, cricket is the most popular one in India. Cricket evolved out of many stick and ball games played in England 500 years ago. The curious characteristics of the game is that the length of the pitch is specified 22 yards, but unlike other games, the dimension of the playing area is not fixed. Cricket was the earliest game to be codified. Its first written laws were drawn up in 1744. The laws stated that two umpires must be present on the field during the game and their decisions would be final and binding. Stumps must be 22 inches high. The bail across them should be of 6 inches and the two set of stumps should be 22 yards apart. Initially, the weight of the ball was between 5 to 6 ounces, but later was limited to 5.5 to 5.3/4 ounces. In 1774, the first leg before law was published. Back in 1760s, the first cricket club was formed in Hambledon. Ever since, the advancement in technology has affected the protective equipment of cricket. Nowadays, pads, gloves, and helmets are made of better and more comfortable materials. The Parsis were the first Indian community to take up cricket. They took up cricket as they were close to the British because of their interest in trade and way of living. They founded the first Indian cricket club, the Oriental Cricket Club, in Bombay in 1948. But due to a quarrel between them and the Bombay Gymkhana, the Parsis built their own Gymkhana. They defeated the British cricket team in 1889, which is still considered as one of their greatest achievements. The Indian cricket fans even now remember C.K. Naidu, an outstanding batsman. His place in Test cricket history is assured because he was the captain of the country's first Test team. Cricket changed with the changing times and yet remained unchanged. Some of its important equipments like bat and ball are all made of natural pre-industrial materials with hands. However, protective equipment like pads, gloves, helmets have undergone technological changes. Cricket owes its present popularity to television. It is television that has made it possible for small city residents and villagers to enjoy cricket matches from all over the world. Cricket indeed is the most popular sport today in our country. So student, this is in this chapter. So you go through the chapter. If you have any problem, you can ask and the question answer you will get in PDF. Have a nice day. Thank you.